Often when we have a list, it's not sorted in the way that we want to view it or print it. If I want to sort by a single column, the best thing to do is just to click somewhere in the column I want to sort by. If I want to sort by price, that is the cheapest product at the top, I'll click on a price. Once you click on a price, on your Quick Access toolbar, we added two buttons, Sort, smallest to largest, and Sort, largest to smallest, A to Z and Z to A. If I hit the A to Z sort button, I will get my cheapest product at the very top of my list, which is this Chinese product. If I was to sort Z to A, I'll get my most expensive product at the top, which is this gourmet product. If I then need to sort by product name, I'll click a product name, and I'll click the A to Z icon, and that will sort with Alice Mutton at the top, or I'll click the Z to A icon, and that will give me this product beginning with Z at the top. If I wish to return my list to being sorted by product ID, I'll click on a number in the product ID column, and I'll hit A to Z.